Hey everybody, so welcome to a brand new video and welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to tell my take on my plans for this year, trying to be more safe with my investing, with my life, with trading, with everything, just trying to get back out there in the job market, and then just overall just safety first kind of mentality, and just trying to like not over leverage myself in my investments, and really just try to tackle this employment issue, trying to get back out there. I know everybody's on this channel, and yeah, thank you guys for that, but it's sometimes it is hard just to even get up in the morning just to try to make things happen, because last couple of years, this whole tech market, I've been looking and looking, still haven't found anything. Just trying to finish my capstone. I start next Monday, but yeah, I'm doing great in the market and all that, but the other things haven't been so great. So hopefully that changes this year. And I don't know, today in Florida, sunny Florida, and it's kind of overcast. I don't know why, but yeah, I just gotta make things happen. I hope you guys make things happen as well. And sometimes it's easy to do things in the market. For me, last year, all my winnings have basically been in the market, but then my losing streaks, it's all been trying to get a job and trying to get past those recruiters and getting rejected and this and that. I'm just trying to go back out there. Yeah, finishing my bachelor's and went back, but yeah, it's rough. But we can only do what we can only do what we can do, I guess. And yeah, it's tough. Everybody else going to work, and then you're still stuck in the same situation. And yeah, just this video wanted to make it mostly on margin and debt, and just getting the hell out of debt, and just, if you can, get out of margin. Yeah, you can pay back your loans and margin and get out, go back to a cash account. And same with debt. You have a job, just tackle that and get out of things. Like my trouble, if you have income issues or anything like that, you're just putting it on credit card and then just going back to basically another credit card balance transfer, and just everything stacks up. Same with margin. You don't want to get into major margin debt, because when the market does turn, and it doesn't go up forever, things turn the other way for you. You can get hit just as hard. I think it's double going up, double going down. But man, I want everybody to be successful this year, and I don't want to repeat for me for 2025 how it was. This channel is not even monetized yet. I love doing videos, but I don't, it's not the goal to making major money. I just wanted to talk people that are into stocks, the market, life in general, just overall expanding into that, and maybe a personal blog down the road. I think I'm going to go that direction as well, other than stocks and investing and all that, because I think I have more to share than just stocks and the market. But yeah, it's just been crazy this last year, and then this year, well, hopefully things turn around. But other than the market, doing great there. Hope you guys are doing great there, and I think it's going to be a continuation. I think 2025, I think it's 2026, unless something crazy happens. It's probably be a continuation what happened in 2025, and then, but it's so early to say right now what's truly going to happen, what's not going to happen. but I don't see anything major foreseen that's gonna break this market. It has to do some parabolic thing to really where everybody's in margin, everybody's risky, throwing their risky bets, and then it crashes things. But I think we're not even in that area yet. I think 26, 27, it could be down the road. But yeah, focus on, for me, it's just being in cash accounts. Those are the best winners for me. Because margin, you got to pay the margin man every month, the interest, even though they're lowering the rates, which is good. But, and it doesn't really seem to matter that much with credit cards and anything like that. It's still, even if you have good credit, you're still gonna get this crazy rate that, I seen some of mine are like 29%, but and I have good credit, but there's some that are lower. But even with the lower rate, it really doesn't matter. Credit card companies don't seem to follow those rules. They do what they want. They know they got you on the hook, especially that, and then student loans. I never got into that finishing up my degree. I just paid cash as I went and did it that way, and just one or few classes at a time. I went back. I took so much time off from all that. I didn't really in computer science and all that. It's not a major thing to have your degree. Not many people I know have their bachelor's in computer science fields. I think if you have your master's, it's kind of almost, it's too much schooling for how things move so fast, and it's kind of overdoing it, I think. And I guess most hiring managers, unless you're in some management position, I don't really think it's needed. But I was just doing it just to finish what I started. After my son was born and having that time, finally got some of that time back, so just to finish it. Since of all that layoff and all that stuff, I just figured might as well finish it. So 3 more months to go and I'm done. So it's awesome to get that out of the way, and I'm done for good, except for self-taught learning and stuff like that. I'm always learning anyways, but I really don't care about masters and all that stuff. It just, in my stage in my life, I really don't care. But like it's some of these people like Grant Cardone and a bunch of other people, a lot of tech, Zuckerberg, and a bunch of them, they don't even have their degrees. I know Grant Cardone does, but he doesn't preach. He thinks school is a waste of time. A lot of those, Zuckerberg dropped out, Bill Gates dropped out, so many tech people dropped out. I know Elon finished, but he doesn't really think it's that great of a deal to have your degree. And I'm in the same camp. I'm just gonna get this bachelor's done, hurrah, and then just call it a day. That's all you can do in life. But there's been so many plays last year, but I was so caught up in school and so I was just letting things ride, DCAing and stuff like that. But once I have more time, I'll have more time to do all that stuff. Focusing on job market and everything like that. So yeah, you guys like me, that's my plan. Get out of debt. Don't do margin. If you're in margin, get rid of it. And that's my plan, my goals, trying to land some job. And I would love to this YouTube channel to take off, and it could be my solo thing and then build on other things. But that hasn't happened yet. I just got to keep sticking to it and keep doing the YouTube grind, and hopefully things will happen for me. And what can you do? You can only do so much in life. And yeah, I'm just everything. New Year started and kicking off, so I'm just trying to make things better. And yeah, like I got to work on the pool today and other things like that. I'm behind on, and because of all the holiday season and all craziness like that, things get out of control when you don't realize it. It's the same thing with your stock portfolio and everything like that. Bug was trying to bite my leg, but um, yeah, I'm gonna do the best I can. I hope you guys are gonna do the best you can out there. If you had a bad year last year, um, make this year 2026 a whole lot better, and that's all you can hope for. So yeah, if you do have a margin account, just I would, for me, I would just get out of that, or at least stop investing in the margin accounts and focus on cash accounts. Um, like I said, all the ones that have done the best for me are always cash accounts. You know, I've back in the day with Tesla and all that, I was trading a ton on margin, and it just caught up to me. Sometimes you just gotta let the winners run, and when you're in margin, you can get called out with your broker so easily, and you don't have the chance at all when you're in margin. They'll sell you out there, and you may have a gold mine. You may have like a Palantir that 5-10 years down the road, it could really can take off. Even what it's done could even quadruple that action there. So let's think of that. Think of that safety first kind of deal. And yeah, if that's just my take here, not a financial advisor, but yeah, well, as I watch the wind and the squirrels jump around out in the yard, um, yeah, it's been crazy windy lately. But yeah, focus on what you can focus on, and income is the way you can build up your stocks and all that stuff without having to, be in debt forever for the rest of your life and dealing with the margin man. But let's think about that, and let's make it one of the best years to come. And we're gonna get it this year. I know I am. And yeah, I hope you guys are too.